Hey guys, what's going on? It's me Jaspas and welcome back to School of Cardistry. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning the Flipback fan. The Flipback fan is a very special fan move based on the Flipback technique. It was created by Devo from the Handlords community over 20 years ago. From my understanding of the Flipback fan, there are two main variants that look good when you're doing the Flipback fan technique. These two techniques work better with different types of decks. The first technique requires you to do a flip back with the packet on the back of your hand, and as it slowly slides against your pinky, you quickly turn your hand and grab the packet. This version of the Flipback fan works better with fanning powdered cards. The second method requires you to have the packet on the back of your hand, and using inertia, you're going to push the cards against the pinky, causing it to spread, and then you're going to catch it all at once. From my experience, this version works better with non-fanning powdered cards. Either way, both versions of the Flipback fan work off of the same beginning. So grab your favorite deck of playing cards and let's get down to learning the Flipback fan. Oh yes, I almost forgot to mention the new Yawn Edition Jaspas decks are now out. If you want to grab some of them, please head over to the newdeckorder.com. Flipback fan. To do the Flipback fan, first begin the deck in dealer's grip like so. Next, execute a flipback and get the cards on the back of your hand. Lift up your pinky like this, angled at roughly a 45-degree angle up. You do not want it to be a 90-degree angle because that looks ridiculous. Next up, rotate your hand towards your pinky like so, causing the cards to slide. Notice how it's sliding right now. When the cards reach about this angle, or about 45 degrees, prepare to grab onto the top card using your pinky. As you do so, about here, you're going to use your thumb on the other side to press onto the cards and go into a fan. Close by using your other hand to square up the cards. Now what you just learned is the first technique for the Flipback fan, the sliding method. Here's a second variation that you might find easier to do. First, begin by beveling the deck while you're in dealer's grip, like so. Execute the flipback, causing a beveled flipback to appear on your hand. And what you're going to do is essentially move the packet forward, causing these cards to hit against this finger, causing them to spread. This is what it should look like. Watching this in slow motion, notice how the pinky grabs the top card of the deck, while the thumb pushes the bottom cards of the deck. Alright, so there you have it. That was the Flipback fan tutorial. If you're having troubles learning the Flipback fan, there are two main things that you can switch up to see if it makes it way easier or way more difficult for yourself. Number one, switch between cards that are brand new, slightly new, seasoned, fanning powdered, super fanning powdered. Try all sorts of different kinds of conditions of playing cards and see if that helps you. Number two, try different levels of bevels to your playing cards. For example, if the cards are beveling towards your fingertips direction, try it completely squared, or even try it even more beveled than usual. Different variants will cause different kinds of experiences while you're practicing the move. Find a level of bevel that works for you. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was the Flipback fan tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment in the comment section below, and drop us a like. Until next time, I'm Jaspas, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.